My heart. My heart is that gift you were holding on to when you were born. My heart is your heaven. It promises happiness and nothing less but more. My heart is that dream you've been seeking. My heart makes me that dream girl you've been wanting. My heart is your future. My heart is honest like future. My heart is warm, loving, and patient. My heart can love you like the world is coming to an end. Hello. We belong together. I've noticed how you always fold your hands together. Perhaps I should lend you my hand and they'll hold on tight to each other. I desire blessing you with an angel that will call you father. I've noticed how long you can look into my eyes without a single blink. When I first laid my eyes on you, we clicked. We're linked. I've imagined you and I messing around the bottom sink. I've noticed how your lips shake when you talk. I assume you need a kiss. I've noticed how short-tempered you are. Hold my hand and I can forever be your bliss. I'm your queen, my king. Listen to my heart's speed. Take my heart as a seed. Happiness is what you reap. The diamond that I am is what you keep. My love is forever. You'll never hear me apologize, never. My love has flavor. I'm a retard, a lover, and a sexer. Beyonce said 1 + 1 = 2, and that's me and you. I don't need a calculator. I'm no heartbreaker. I'm a go-getter. I usually touch myself, but surely being touched by your hands will feel better. I just breathe a lot, I'm no sweater. I just ride a lot, do a couple strokes like escalators. Go all in, let me bite your lips like a professor. I've noticed how my heart accelerates when I hear your voice. I can't wait to make you happy, make the right choice. If you was mine, you'd be the definition of spoiled. Cause I'd give you so much love and cake so moist. Let me shut the fuck up before I get lost. My heart is that gift you were holding on to when you were born. You make me feel good. I'm in the love zone.